Hello fam, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be learning how to create this half-face typography effect with your smartphone. So stay tuned for this tutorial. Oh yeah, let's go. So the first thing you are going to do is to select your image as your background image. Then you add a text and select a bold font. For this I'm going to be using Poppins Black. Yeah. Then you zoom in. Make sure your grid lines are on, zoom in and type in the text whatever text you want. Make sure you align it the way you see mine. Please ensure you zoom in for proper placing of the text. That's it, but there's a space at his jaw, so you have to adjust the text to align with the face. So I'm just going to do that now. Watch how I do it. Now all you have to do is to lock all your layers, then select the draw tool and increase the pen size to its highest. Choose white color and draw on the sides just as I did. Then you merge, select all layers and merge them. Yeah, you have something like this. Now you use the mask tool to mask the drawings out. You see as I did it, you copy the mask tool and move to the other side. Yeah, you have something like this now. Then you select texture and use the same image you used as background for the texture. You should have something like this. Lock your layer, add a square shape and make it black. Use your hand to adjust it and send to the back of the image. You should have something like this. Then you should use the mask tool to mask the shape so you can have a perfect image. Yeah, you see the way I did it here. Yeah, make sure your mask mode is out, not in. Then this is what you should have. Now lock your layer and save your image.
Here is the before. Here is the after.
So don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you.